Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I'm responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another unboxing, and this one is for Boxycharm. It's for a subscription box. You guys know that I love subscription boxes on this channel, but I've never tried Boxycharm. I've heard about it for a long time, and this is my first time trying it. Purchased this with my own money, and this is obviously for the January 2021 box. So obviously in true NK fashion, I'm getting this up like at the very end of the month. So you've probably already seen everybody else's reviews, and I didn't subscribe to this until about a week ago. So my bad. As always, I'll make sure that I put any pertinent information down in the description box, whether it's joining, what products I mentioned, all that jazz. It will be down in the description box below. So the box that I got, it is $25, comes with the 5 full-size products, and every month they choose different things for you. So the items in the box, they're beauty related. It can be skincare, it can be makeup tools, it can be makeup itself. And each box has a value of over $120. So in total for their subscription, they have 3 different boxes. They have the Boxycharm, they have the Luxe, and they have the Premium. The Boxycharm is $25. The Luxe is $49.99, so we'll just go ahead and call it $50. And the Premium is $35. The average value of the Luxe is $395, so obviously you can see there is a significant increase from $120 to $395. And then the average value of the Premium is $215. The Boxycharm box that I will be unboxing today is a monthly subscription. The Luxe is also a monthly subscription. The Premium is also a monthly subscription, and the Luxe is a quarterly subscription. The Boxycharm comes with 5 items. The Premium comes with 6 to 7 items, and the Luxe comes with 8+ items. So diving in, this is what the packaging looks like. It is just a black box. It has white writing and says Boxycharm with a heart. So on the information card, it says Boxycharm, it says Fresh Start, and then on the back, it lists all of the products that I received in my box today, their prices. It gives different hashtags to use, and then it also, again, has more information on how to connect with Boxycharm on social media. So the first product that I got this month is from Queen Studio, and this is their Dragon Duo. I've actually never heard of this product or this brand. On the information card, it says modern day boss babe approved with an inky black pigmentation and a semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look using the Dragon Duo. Use Dragon Duo liquid for smudge-proof symmetrical wings, or Dragon Liner pencil for a softer look or a smoky eye. Created for beginners, loved by pros. So as the name suggests, I was able to deduce that this is a liquid or a stick liner, and it is a duo, so it comes with both. So for whatever reason, I was imagining them being on the same stick, but you get the felt tip liner, which we have here, and then you also have the pencil, which I actually prefer a pencil these days. And this is, yeah, a wax pencil and then a felt tip liquid liner. So definitely very nice to have. You can never have too many types of eyeliners. And again, this does retail for $28. So with that product right there, that goes ahead and pays for the subscription box itself, and we still have 4 more products to dive into. Next up, we have this product from Pharmacy. This is their Daily Greens oil-free gel moisturizer. On the information card, it says an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. This is a really cute packaging. I have heard about Pharmacy. I've seen some influencers mentioning it, and just different beauty conferences that I've gone to. I think I've seen their booths at various things that I've gone to. So it's nice to actually have a product finally to test it out, and it seems like it might be ideal for sensitive skin. This is nice. This has some weight to it. It smells good. It has like a peppermint, minty, green tea kind of smell to it. Ooh, that feels good. That feels like, I want to say it's Laneige, their water sleeping mask. Oh my gosh, that stuff was amazing. My skin loved it so much. Definitely was not student budget friendly. However, my skin absolutely love that. Definitely sensitive skin approved. So this feels really nice. Something I will tell you guys is that I've really been loving different moisturizers. I apply them before work, put them on, my skin feels good. It's been pretty cold, which actually today and yesterday it was almost in the 70s here in Atlanta, but the last few times that I've gone to work, I've been putting on a moisturizer. I feel great. My skin has actually, I've noticed an improvement. It looks really, really good putting that on instead of just washing my face, slapping on a mask, going straight to work. So My skin has been loving moisturizers, and I'm glad that I have another one to add to the arsenal. And this product retails for $38. Next up, we have a product from Dr. Brandt. This is their Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I keep getting eye creams, and I feel like maybe this is a sign that I need to be using it. The information card says this deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness for refreshed, younger-looking eyes for all skin types. So it's nice that they included that. You know me, I have super sensitive skin. I tell you guys this in almost every single video in case you're new here. I have super sensitive skin, and one of my pet peeves is when brands say that their product is made for all skin types. And I use the product and I just have a horrible allergic reaction. So it's always really nice to try out a product and they actually cater to super sensitive skin. So it'll be interesting to try this out. Obviously, I will let you guys know. I feel like the community section has been working really well because sometimes, you know, updating you guys on things like, was this sensitive skin approved? It doesn't deserve a whole video. It's something that I can drop a picture in the community section, let you guys know, hey, this worked out really well, so on and so forth. And just to show you guys, it's very simple packaging. It comes in a white tube. It has gray lettering, gray and black lettering. With eye creams, you put it on your middle finger or you put it on your ring finger and then tap because you have less control with those, less control over the muscles in those fingers. That way you're less likely to drag and create wrinkles. You're more gentle. So I know a little something. And this product retails for $82. So again, another product that, I mean, all the products so far have paid for the box collectively and individually. But this product, it pays for the box 3 times over. There's stones in the box. Oh my gosh, I heard a noise. It was like, what is that? And I thought like my lights were sparking, but they're little stones. I'll have to get my zoom lens out. My camera battery overheated. But anyway, I was saying I heard a noise and I thought my lights or something was sparking, only to find out that they're little stones at the bottom of this. So moving on to the next product. This is a product from the Lifestyle Co. And this is their Reset Mist. So far I've only heard of one of these brands, and that is Pharmacy. All the other brands I haven't, well, I lied. I've heard of Dr. Brandt, but so far I've only heard of 2 of the brands. And that's another thing that I love about subscription boxes is that they expose you to a lot of indie brands or brands that have really, really quality products, but you don't really hear about them so much because everybody wants to talk about insert whatever brand here. And it's nice to find smaller brands that, you know, they make really quality products, they have good causes, and, you know, so on and so forth. So on the information card, it says, indulge in a lavender and tea tree oil infused body and linen spray. Spray the Reset Mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep and use it as a toner for your face in the morning to enjoy the properties of tea tree oil. So that's nice. I will definitely try this out, use this before I go to work. For some reason, I thought that this was setting spray, but it's nice that you can spray this on your pillows, your sheets, whatever it is. I like to diffuse essential oils when I get off work. When I'm trying to go to sleep, I have my blackout curtains and it just helps add to the relaxation, especially after taking a nice hot bath. And the final product in this month's box is a palette from Ciate London. This is their Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. So on the information card, it says, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette. Featuring a mix of hypermetallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes, the innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. So this is actually a new product according to the information card, so nice. I feel like I've been behind on new makeup. I have so many products that came out that were brand spanking new. I have yet to review them for this channel. So when I post them, you guys act surprised, act like it's your first time seeing or hearing about the products, okay? Okay. So taking it out of the box, this is actually really pretty. I like it. It's a nice mauve color. And then opening it up, you get 12 different shades. These are really pretty, and as the name suggested, you're getting metallics, you're getting mattes, lots of different colors. I don't know why, but the mauve was making me think that I was getting more like red tone colors that I could use for Valentine's Day look. If you guys would want to see a Valentine's Day look, definitely let me know. I feel like a lot of people don't really watch makeup tutorials on YouTube anymore. YouTube has just kind of like devolved to something different, and I feel like I missed my window of opportunity for doing makeup tutorials. That's why I don't do them. Back then I was scared because I thought people would roast me, and now I just I feel like I've missed my window of opportunity. So anyway, ooh, that is buttery smooth. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. That's so smooth. And yes, it is so pigmented. Wow. I barely rubbed my finger on there. I'm excited. Wow, I can only imagine how pretty this is gonna look. Like when they say it's smooth, it is smooth. It feels like you're rubbing your finger on some butter. Oh my. Wow. I'm excited. This retails for $30. So yeah, that is all, you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If there are any videos that you guys want to see from me, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I would be more than happy to do them for you. I'm sorry that I'm doing so many hand motions. My camera battery is about to die. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.